Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your iPhone to Wi-Fi in two different methods using if you have a password or if you have a QR code, you can follow these methods. So if you have a traditional password for the Wi-Fi, it's going to be really simple. In order to connect to Wi-Fi, you're going to start by going to your setting, and then up top in the setting is the Wi-Fi connections here. So you're going to tap on Wi-Fi, and when you tap on Wi-Fi, you should see the list of Wi-Fi networks that are available that the phone can find. You can see here I have quite a few. So let's say I want to connect my Wi-Fi here. So I'm going to look for my Wi-Fi here. And then from there on, you're going to enter your password for your Wi-Fi. So whatever the password is, you'll go ahead and enter. Now, if you don't have the password, or maybe you have a QR code like this one, for example, on this device here I'm displaying, maybe there's a QR code somewhere printed and you need to connect using that. In that scenario, you need to open up the camera app on your iPhone. And you open up the camera app and you're just going to simply point to it. When you do that, you should see a pop-up that comes up, and then you can just click on that pop-up. And when you click on that pop-up, it's going to tell you to join. So you don't need to know the password. You just need to click on join. And when you do that, we can go back into our setting and then see it is connecting to this Wi-Fi that we have connected. And a good indicator that you're connected to Wi-Fi is this icon right here will indicate the Wi-Fi. If I turn that off, that icon will go away. So that's how you connect to Wi-Fi on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful, so please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks, and thanks for watching.